I started Planted Places because I think growing your own food can be transformative in your life. I didn't realize that until I started doing it. And not only is it the healthiest way to nourish yourself, it's also the activity that gets you in touch with nature. And we all need a little bit of that. It was super important when I started this company that we grow and live in soil. There's a deep connection between soil and our health. At Planted Places, we sell you vertical garden systems and we teach you how to grow. We then show you how to regenerate that soil. It's what we need our farmers to be doing, and it's what we should be doing in our own micro farms at home. I wanted this to be accessible to everyone, which means it doesn't matter if you don't have the time or the knowledge. It doesn't matter if you have the right space. Everyone should be growing their own food. So here's what we do. We send you everything you need. We teach you how to grow. Then you sit back and enjoy the fruits of your labor. You graze along the way, and then you harvest it at the end. We send you another batch of seedlings and additives to feed your soil organically the way nature intended it. You start the whole process again. It's just like this: plant, eat, repeat. Come join Planted Places and grow your own healthy lifestyle.